Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Joren, or Triplus as I like to make myself known online. And today, in front of you and in front of me as well, we have a new keyboard. It's probably not the most exciting thing, so I'm going to try to keep this video very short. But it's been something that I want to upgrade for a very long time. Let me quickly show you my existing keyboard. It's, I would say, approximately 12, 13, 15, something like that years old. So this was a Black Friday deal, cost me about 30 euros on Black Friday. I think normally it goes for like 50 to 60 euros. So well, it's a good deal, it's mechanical, it has Khali Red switches. And let's take a look. So let me quickly remove the sticky stuff. There we go, that's the keyboard. So looks to be like a braided cable, which is always nice. Simple USB port, of course, nothing special there. So let me take out the keyboard itself. So what else do we have? Some silica gel and a manual. Let's take it out just to be sure. Let's move the box. So this is the keyboard. I can already feel that it's not very slippery, which is good. Let's take a quick look at the bottom side first. So we have some extra feet to give it some extra height. Oh, sorry, in the back. So then we have a bit of a different typing position. Feels. I'm not used to typing on mechanical keyboard, but first impression I would say is that it feels very good. Typing experience is good. I will have to see if I use it upright or not. Let's plug it into my computer, shall we? So we have RGB. That's also my first RGB keyboard, so that's it's quite busy in my opinion. I'm sure the Sharkoon software allows you to fully map out an RGB pattern to your liking. So maybe important for you guys, there are some function keys with multimedia functions. So there is a Sharkoon button, which is this one, and I would assume it's the same one as this one. So this is what is normally your Windows key. So we have some multimedia functions, but you can also see, if I pick up the keyboard a bit, you see that you have like your play, pause, like louder and lowering the volume and so on. So that's that. It's quite a heavy keyboard actually, which I really enjoy. My other one is practically no weight at all. So let me see what else is in the manual. So you'll have all your different lighting effects. So everything like your page up. So these buttons are basically your 5 lighting effects. So let's give it a try. So as you can see, it's almost per key RGB, I would say. So, oh. Oh, it tracks whatever you do. That's cool. Oh, each thing has a... Okay, I will need to play around with this a bit because I have a feeling that everything is doing something differently. So in the manual I would say there is not really anything about software, but I did a quick Google search and there is in fact a download here. So looking at this screen, indeed it seems that we have quite the amount of possibilities here. I will have to play around with this a bit. It's quite daunting. I will be playing around with it a little bit. And I will get back to you relatively soon. And well, for you it will be seconds probably, but for me it might be a bit longer. So talk to you soon. Okay, so this is for me like 3 weeks in the future. And I've been using this keyboard practically daily for those 3 to 4 weeks. I don't remember exactly when I recorded the first part. But of course I want to end this video by having a wrap up of what I find of this keyboard. So all in all, I think this is an amazing keyboard for the price point. Again, I think I paid like 30 euros for this. I think it was on sale on Black Friday, but still I'm sure there will be similar sales there. The keys feel very good, very comfy. As I mentioned before, this is my first mechanical keyboard and I went from a very old, like 15-year-old, I think it's a membrane keyboard. I don't even know for sure, it was a cheap Logitech one. So it took me a while to get used to everything. But yeah, all in all, I am really enjoying this keyboard. I really love the trailing effect. So as you can see, when I press keys, so the keys follow me. I'm really in love with this. I just like it in blue. I don't want a very flashy, in my face LED experience. But again, if that's what you want, this keyboard is very much capable of it, as you saw. But yeah, that's going to be it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short review of this keyboard. Thank you guys for watching. Wishing you a very happy new year. Knowing what the past few years have brought us, let's hope indeed this one is a much better one. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.